Okay, good day, people. Hope everyone is well. So I thought I'd say some things today about time travel. I've been thinking a lot about it lately, and sort of strange how many people really take it seriously. I mean, they sort of act as if a certain kind of math has disclosed how reality is going to be. And I understand how, the great discoveries of the 20th century and of the realization of time being relative to frame of reference, it was significant. But to get from there to time travel is possible. It's so odd. Like who can take that seriously? It's almost bizarre. And see if I can clarify this a little bit. So I had a physicist, a good friend of mine, who's saying, well, theoretically, you could travel into the past if you would be able to approximate the speed of light. I mean, the difficulty is getting a mass, a body the size of a ship or of a person, anything larger than something subatomic to be moving that quickly. And the person kind of made it seem as if the sole problem is a difficulty of speed. That is, if one were to be able to travel at the speed of light or near the speed of light, faster than the speed of light, again, just why speed is related to time is so odd. I mean, in some way you want to say, yes, it makes sense, but in another sense you want to go, no, it doesn't make any sense at all. Not everything occurs at the speed of light. If the world and all reality were nothing but photons, then I guess I could kind of see what they're saying, but they're suggesting that the reality as it is, or the world, the universe, has kinds of informational relation states that are recorded or at least retrievable through accelerating to the speed of light. And you want to go, well, no, look at all the things that don't occur at the speed of light. Right? I mean, sound doesn't move at the speed of light. Wounds don't heal at the speed of light. Bodies don't grow at the speed of light. Sugar doesn't dissolve into tea at the speed of light. I mean, countless things do not occur at the speed of light. I mean, you can sort of force the issue in an ironic way by suggesting to people who believe in the models which suggest that approximating light speed will make you travel into the past. It's as if they're suggesting that people who are blind will never be able to travel in the past. I mean, again, I'm mocking, but it almost doesn't make any sense. It's a certain kind of mathematics that has abstracted out a certain property from the net total properties that we have. And again, it makes sense only in the most oversimplified form of thought. It's interesting. Somebody else said to me, no, you think about it this way. I said, well, if you were to be on a ship, and again, we're back to this on a ship traveling at light speed. They say, well, if you were on a ship and you were traveling near light speed, you could be gone for just a couple of minutes and you could come back and the people on the earth would have aged many years, and to that extent you jumped into their future. Well, no, those people went through their own processes, their rate of change at that frame of reference. You went the person in that ship went a really great distance in a very short time, but they at no point leapt into, quotes, anyone's future. There were continuous rates of change that just, they varied. I mean, the idea that a rate of change could occur relative to the frame of reference and the speed at which it's occurring. Okay, you want to say, yeah, that's right. But to get to time travel as if there is a past that's somehow recordable in the photons that someone's going to go to by traveling really fast, or as if the future, which hasn't yet occurred, is right now you're going to leap ahead to. See, it's almost as if people, we reveal ourselves as animals chattering noises who are somewhat baffled at what time it even is. Lee Thayer, he used to say to his students in class, he would say, we oftentimes judge our theories not on the extent to which they're true, but are they simple enough for us to understand? And I think that this is such a good case of that. Will there ever be time travel? I don't think so. I really don't. If there ever is, if it's ever possible, it's not going to happen from somebody going really fast. Like, why the, quote, speed limit of the cosmos is therefore the time limit seems odd, especially when you think that the speed limit isn't the rate at which everything is moving. And then you start to go, I'm not sure how many models would need to be interlocking and sort of overlaid in order to really get at how many different rates of change in different kinds of time are there that would need to be accommodated for something, again, like time travel. At any rate, those would be some thoughts of the day. Hope people are well. All right, bye.